sales pipeline in Sendpulse's CRM system is a visual representation of your sales cycle. All your deals are neatly organized in one clear list, so you can easily follow every customer's journey from start to finish. For online stores, this pipeline simplifies order management. You can quickly check order statuses, assign tasks to your team members, and automate routine actions to focus on what really matters. In this video, you'll learn how to customize a pipeline for online sales and automate your core business workflows. Before you start building your CRM pipeline, let's get everything set up properly. First, connect the payment system. This feature is available on paid plans and lets you receive online payments directly through your online store and other Sendpulse tools. What makes this especially practical are automation features. The CRM system automatically updates deal stages based on user payments. For instance, once a customer completes their payment, your deal is automatically moved to the paid stage without any manual work from your team. To connect a payment system, go to your account settings, accept payments, and select one or more payment methods. For a detailed walkthrough, see our self-help guide by following the link in the video description. From now on, all transactions will be automatically logged in the Accept Payments section of your account. Next, invite your teammates to join your account. This allows you to assign deals to your team members, assign users to every pipeline stage, and delegate tasks more efficiently. To invite users, head over to your account settings, switch to the Team tab, and click Invite User. Add your teammate's email address and assign them a role. Sendpulse offers 7 default access roles, and you can also create custom roles if needed. You can learn more about user roles and teamwork by following the link in the video description. Now it's time to create your CRM pipeline. By default, there's a basic pipeline already set up for you and displayed as a Kanban board, where every column represents a deal stage. You can change its layout to a list or a calendar at any time and customize the pipeline stages to align with your online store's workflow. To customize the default deal stages, click the three-dot icon next to a stage name and select Edit. Update the stage name and, if you'd like, assign a color to quickly spot deals at different stages. For an online store, your pipeline can include stages like New Order, Awaiting Payment, Paid, Payment Failed, Shipped, Delivered, Completed. You can add, delete, and rearrange stages. The key is to tailor your pipeline to your sales flow. Every pipeline stage comes with its own settings. Here you can define how long a deal can stay in this stage and when the system should notify the assigned team member. To illustrate, in the awaiting payment stage, you can set a 1-day limit and send a notification to your teammate 2 hours before it expires. This allows your team to follow up with customers promptly and reduce the risk of losing orders. Your team members can also create deals manually by clicking the plus icon in the required stage. Beyond that, they can simply drag and drop deals between stages, for instance, after confirming a payment or delivering an order. Once you've created deal stages, go to your pipeline settings. In the General tab, name your pipeline something like Online Store Sales. Choose an icon color, select a currency, and assign a team member for automatically created deals. We'll cover this part in the next steps. Then, turn on the Automated Payments toggle and select how deals should move between stages based on the payment status. Let's say a customer initiates a payment on your website, then your deal automatically moves to the New Order stage. Once their payment is completed and the funds are credited, your deal moves to the Paid stage. If the payment fails, it is assigned the Payment Failed status. This helps your team instantly see which orders are ready to move forward and which ones need follow-up. On top of that, you can set a stage that stops your automated flow. In the Fields tab, you can add custom fields to your deal cards, like name, shipping address, or order comment. With paid plans, the tabs section allows you to customize the tab layouts in deal cards and add new tabs, helping you group data into more structured sections. For a deeper dive into fields and tabs, browse through our self-help guides. You'll find the links in the video description. Along with the default pipeline, your account includes a built-in task board. It helps you streamline teamwork and balance the workload. To view or edit your task board, navigate to the Tasks tab in the CRM system's left sidebar. Its setup process is similar to configuring a pipeline. Name your board, select a color, and adjust task statuses to reflect your team workflow. Assign tasks to your team members so that they can verify payments manually, prepare products for shipping, contact customers about delivery, and more. For every task, set a status, assign a team member, and define priorities and due dates. Deals can be added to your pipeline automatically from multiple sources across SendPulse, including the Chatbot Builder, Subscription and Payment Form Builder, website and online course builders, and other tools. You can learn more about deal sources and their setup in a dedicated video by following the link in the description. When using third-party tools, you can automate deal creation through the API. In this case, your technical specialist sends requests from an external service to the SendPulse API and sets up data transfer to the CRM system when certain events happen, like order placement or successful payment. You'll also find a detailed setup guide at the link in the video description. To illustrate, let's see how to automatically create deals when orders come in through your SendPulse-powered online store. In the website section, go to your website and edit the cart page, which is automatically created for every online store. In the widget settings, name your deal, select the CRM pipeline, and define the stage your deal should move to when an order is placed. For instance, when a customer clicks pay, the deal is automatically added to the new order stage. From there, the deal stage updates automatically based on the payment status. If an item is out of stock or a customer adds a comment to their order, your team member can reach out for clarification. Based on the conversation, your deal can then be moved to the next stage or deleted. Also, keep in mind that when a deal is created in the CRM system, a contact is added automatically. This can result in duplicates if the same customer interacts with you through multiple communication channels, for instance, by placing an order on your website, messaging a chatbot, and more. In this case, your team member should merge the duplicates into a single contact. You can learn how to do this in our self-help guide linked in the video description. SendPulse Automation helps you automate internal CRM workflows, like deal stage updates, task creation, and communication throughout your sales pipeline using emails, SMS, chatbots, and more. To create a flow, go to the CRM section, open the Deals tab, select a pipeline, and click the flow icon. Then select Create Flow from the menu. You'll be redirected to the Automated Flow Builder, where you can choose a ready-made template or create a custom flow from scratch. Keep in mind that the number of available automated flows depends on your CRM system plan. In the builder, you can select triggers, that is, CRM events that start automated flows, and add the action element to manage deals, contacts, and tasks. You'll find a complete list of CRM-related triggers and actions in our self-help guides by following the links in the video description. Next, let's explore a few practical online store scenarios that help automate your CRM pipeline and reduce the spade work for you and your team. Set up the Create Deal trigger. It runs whenever a deal is added to a CRM pipeline, whether it's created manually or automatically. In the trigger settings, select the pipeline, set a deal stage, and, if needed, select a source. For example, after a new deal comes in from your website, you can automatically send a welcome email or notify your customer that their order has been received and is being processed. Select the Change Deal Stage trigger, which fires every time a deal moves between pipeline stages. To give you an idea, when your deal stage changes from paid to shipped, you can send an automated message flow to confirm shipment, provide tracking details, and share an estimated delivery date. This takes repetitive tasks off your teammates' hands and ensures customers always receive timely, relevant updates. Another helpful scenario is triggering a flow when a deal is assigned the payment failed status. In this case, you can use the email element to instantly notify your customer about the payment error and guide them through the next steps. You can also add the action element with the create task command, and it will automatically be added to your task board. You can use it to ask the assigned team member to contact your customer and help them complete their payment. If integrated payment methods don't work for a customer, your teammate can offer an alternative option, like a bank transfer or cash on delivery. In this case, your team member needs to confirm the payment manually and then move the deal to the paid stage. When a deal changes its status from shipped to delivered, you can set up the following automated flow. One day after the trigger fires, that is, after delivery, you can send an email with a link to your feedback form, asking the customer to leave a review. Next, add the condition element to see whether the customer clicked the link in your email. If your customer clicks through, set up an action to automatically change the deal status from delivered to completed. If not, create a task for your team member to follow up with the customer and make sure their order was delivered successfully. You can build both scenarios using the action element. If your customer chooses not to share feedback, your team member can add a comment to their contact card or assign them a tag, something like encourage repeat purchase. You can learn more about how to use tags in our detailed guide linked in the video description. Tag assignment can also trigger an automated flow. For instance, you can create a flow where contacts tagged with encourage repeat purchase automatically receive a message with a personalized discount for their next purchase. If your customer redeems this offer, you can use the action element to automatically assign them a new tag, like loyal customer, within the same automated flow. The Contact Special Date trigger helps you congratulate customers automatically, such as on their birthday, and send them personalized discount promo codes. You can create these promo codes directly in the CRM system. We've included the link to the setup guide in the video description. To make this work, ensure your contact card has a date field filled in. In the starting element, select this variable and set a sending time. For instance, you can schedule your flow to run annually on the same date, so customers receive greetings automatically. Once an order is completed, the payment is confirmed and the product has been delivered. Close your deal by clicking the corresponding button in your deal card. You can mark deals as successful and, if needed, filter them by status in the Close Deals section. If you ever need to reopen a deal, just select it from the list and click Reopen. With a well-configured pipeline, you stay in full control of every order, distribute tasks evenly across your team, and make sure no sales opportunity slips through the cracks. In this video, we've covered just a few examples of how an online store can automate customer interactions using our CRM system. You can always create your own automated flows or implement ready-made templates and the AI assistant in automation. If you found this video helpful, give it your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so that you don't miss our next hands-on digital marketing guides.